Hey there, welcome back to Marketing Money Mastery YouTube channel. Are you tired of chasing trendy business ideas that fizzle out quickly? Today, we're diving into 5 so-called boring businesses that are low-key money-making machines. These aren't flashy startups or tech unicorns, these are the steady, reliable workhorses of the business world. So buckle up, grab your notepad, and let's get down to business. First up, we're talking about self-storage facilities. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Rows of metal doors and concrete floors don't exactly scream exciting business opportunity. But trust me on this one, folks. Self-storage is a silent giant in the world of passive income. Think about it. Housing costs are through the roof. People are holding on to more stuff than ever. And minimalism seems like a distant dream for most. That's where self-storage comes in. It's a simple solution to a common problem: lack of space. People need a place to store their extra belongings, seasonal items, furniture between moves, you name it. And here's the beauty of it. Self-storage facilities are relatively low maintenance. Once you've got the land, built the units, and set up a secure system, you're pretty much good to go. You're not dealing with perishable goods, high employee turnover, or constantly changing inventory. Just a steady stream of tenants paying their monthly rent. The self-storage industry is booming. We're talking billions of dollars in annual revenue. Companies like Public Storage are raking it in, proving that this boring business model is a cash cow. But it's not just about the big players. There are plenty of opportunities for smaller investors to get in on the action. You can start with a smaller facility in a growing area and scale up over time. The key is to do your research, find a good location with high demand, and manage your facility efficiently. With the right approach, self-storage can be your ticket to financial freedom. Remember, sometimes the most boring businesses are the most lucrative. Next up, we're diving into a business that's about as recession-proof as they come: laundromats. Look, laundry isn't glamorous, but it's one of those essential chores that never goes away. No matter what the economy is doing, people still need clean clothes, right? And that's where you come in. Owning a laundromat is like owning a piece of everyday life. It's a constant need. And with the right setup, it can be a surprisingly hands-off business. We're talking about the holy grail of passive income, recurring revenue with minimal effort. Here's why laundromats are such a smart investment. First off, the overhead is relatively low. You're mainly dealing with the cost of machines, utilities, and maybe some cleaning supplies. Second, you don't need a large staff. Many laundromats operate without any employees on site, especially with modern, cashless payment systems. Speaking of technology, there are some seriously cool innovations in the laundromat world these days. Think mobile payment apps, automated machines, and even laundry delivery services. These upgrades can streamline your operations, attract more customers, and boost your profits. But it's not just about the tech. Creating a comfortable and inviting atmosphere can also make a big difference. Imagine a laundromat with free Wi-Fi, comfortable seating, and maybe even a coffee station. It becomes a community hub, a place where people actually want to spend time. So, if you're looking for a business that's resilient, in demand, and ripe for innovation, look no further than laundromats. Just remember to stock up on detergent. Chapter 3. Parking lots and garages, paving your way to financial freedom. Coming in at number 3, we're talking about a business that's all about location, parking lots and garages. Think about it. In a world of ever-increasing urbanization, finding a place to park your car can feel like searching for a golden ticket. And as cities get denser and public transportation struggles to keep up, the demand for parking is only going to skyrocket. Now, I know what you're thinking. Running a parking lot doesn't sound like the most exciting way to spend your days. But that's the beauty of it. Once you've got the land, the pavement, and a secure payment system in place, it's a remarkably hands-off business model. You're not dealing with inventory, customer service headaches, or complex supply chains. Just a steady stream of cars coming and going, each one generating revenue. The key to success in the parking business is all about choosing the right location. Think about areas with high traffic, limited parking options, and a constant need for spaces. Areas near transit stations, business districts, sports stadiums, concert venues, hospitals. These are all prime real estate for parking lots and garages. Consider offering monthly passes for regular commuters, premium parking spots for events, or even partnering with local businesses to offer validated parking for their customers. The more value you can provide, the more profitable your parking venture can become. Technology is changing the parking game, folks. We're talking about automated payment kiosks, license plate recognition systems, and even apps that let drivers reserve their spots in advance. These innovations not only streamline your operations, but also enhance the customer experience. Remember, convenience is king in the parking world. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance, high-demand business with the potential for passive income, it's time to start scoping out those prime parking locations. Remember, in the world of real estate, it's all about location, location, location. And that holds true for the lucrative world of parking too. Chapter 4, Portable Toilet Rentals, a surprisingly flush business. Okay, I know this one might sound a little out there, but hear me out. Portable toilet rentals are a surprisingly lucrative and often overlooked business opportunity. Now, before you wrinkle your nose, let's ditch the ick factor and focus on the cold, hard facts. Portable toilets are an absolute necessity for a wide range of events and situations. Think about it. Construction sites, outdoor concerts, festivals, sporting events, weddings, disaster relief efforts. The list goes on and on. Anytime you have a large gathering of people without access to traditional restrooms, portable toilets become essential. And here's the beauty of it. The demand is consistent and the profit margins can be surprisingly high. You're essentially providing a basic human need in a convenient and portable package. Plus, the overhead is relatively low. You're primarily dealing with the cost of the units themselves, routine cleaning and maintenance, and transportation to and from event locations. The key to success in the portable toilet rental business is twofold: securing contracts and optimizing your logistics. Networking is crucial in this industry. Build relationships with event planners, construction companies, and local organizations. These are your potential clients, and word-of-mouth referrals can be a goldmine. On the logistics side, efficiency is key. You need to be able to transport your units efficiently, service them promptly, and ensure they're always in good working order. Investing in reliable trucks, scheduling software, and potentially even hiring a small team can make all the difference as your business grows. Diversifying your offerings allows you to tap into a wider range of clients and maximize your earning potential. So, while portable toilet rentals might not be the most glamorous business venture, they offer a unique combination of consistent demand, low overhead, and surprisingly high profit margins. Chapter 5, Waste Management and Recycling, Turning Trash into Treasure and Passive Income. And finally, we're wrapping up our list with a business that's not for the faint of heart, but one that's rife with opportunity: waste management and recycling. Look, it's not glamorous, but let's be real, trash is a constant in our society. As long as people generate waste, there's a need for businesses to collect, process, and dispose of it responsibly. And here's the thing: waste management is evolving. It's no longer just about landfills and garbage trucks. Recycling, composting, and sustainable waste management practices are becoming increasingly important. This shift towards eco-consciousness presents a huge opportunity for entrepreneurs who are willing to get their hands dirty, literally and figuratively. You could start a traditional waste collection business focusing on residential or commercial clients, or you could specialize in a specific niche like construction waste removal, hazardous materials disposal, or electronics recycling. Another option is to focus on the recycling side of things. Collecting, sorting, and processing recyclable materials can be a lucrative business, especially as demand for recycled goods continues to grow. The key to success in the waste management and recycling industry is efficiency, compliance, and a commitment to sustainability. You need to be able to collect, process, and dispose of waste in a safe, environmentally sound, and cost-effective manner. This requires obtaining the necessary permits, investing in the right equipment, and staying up to date on the latest regulations. Waste management and recycling are often seen as essential services. This means that once you've established yourself and built a solid reputation, you're likely to have consistent demand and recurring revenue streams. So, if you're not afraid of hard work, and you're passionate about making a positive impact, the waste management and recycling industry could be your ticket to financial success and environmental stewardship. So there you have it, 5 boring businesses that could transform your financial future in 2025. These aren't the flashy overnight success stories you see on social media. But they're the kinds of businesses that can provide stability, consistent income, and even the potential for generational wealth. The best part? These ideas are built for steady, passive income. That means you can potentially earn money while you sleep, travel, or pursue other passions. Which one of these boring businesses caught your eye? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you're hungry for more smart business ideas and financial tips, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload at Marketing Money Mastery YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.